Okay guys, welcome back to our channel that is Apple School of Knowledge, and today we are talking about an uh, important topic, that how BPS-20 officers in Pakistan can own their official vehicles through the monetization policy. So if you are someone you know as a government officer, this video is for you. So let's get started. First, what is vehicle monetization? So the monetization of transport facility is basically as a policy by the government of Pakistan. It allows BPS 20 officer and above to buy their own official vehicle at a depreciated price or receive a monthly transport allowances instead of using a government car. Now they have there are some process through which the officer will get, or you can say like avail this policy. Step number one is submit an application. The officer submit a request for monetization to the concerned department, and after that the second step is get approval. So the department review the request and send it for approval. Then after that, a vehicle valuation. So the finance division determine the car current price based on depreciation. And after that, the step number 4, we call that as a payment process. So the officer deposit the amount into the government treasury. And the final step, that is ownership transfer. So once payment is confirmed, the vehicle is officially transferred to the officer. Now let's talk about the required documents or certificates. So the first one is application form, signed request for monetization. Then CNIC copy for identification, departmental NOC, no objection certificate for ownership transfer, and then original registration book, proof of vehicle ownership. Then you will have a depreciation and valuation certificate issued by the finance division, and then you will have some payment receipt, proof of deposit into the government accounts, approval letter, confirmation from the competent authority, and then undertaking or written statement that the officer will not claim further benefit. So that's how the BPS-20 officer can get their official vehicle through monetization. It is a simple process, but following the correct steps and submitting the right document is important. So this is for today. Drops your comments, and if you found this video useful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more informative content. Thank you for watching.